Hi there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn with a project today from Imagine Crafts. Today's project is going to be a baby announcement. So I'm going to use Joy Clair's Oh Baby stamp set. And as you can see, I have my block out. I love this little picture of the baby in the umbrella. So I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink, which is a dye ink. It's water-based, fade-resistant, acid-free, and great for your alcohol markers. So I'm just going to ink that up. I need to re-ink my ink pad. That's why I'm doing it so much. But ink up that stamp, figure out exactly where I want it in my project here, and get that stamp down. Hold it for a minute for maximum coverage. Applying even pressure across. And now I'm going to grab the sentiment. It's a girl. And get that set up on there. I'm going to ink this up with Memento Luxe pigment ink in the rosebud color. This is a pigment ink. It's paper, fabric, wood, and leather. Great on those items, as well as it's permanent when heat set on fabric. And the colors match the Memento dye inks. And there's 24 colors available in the Memento Luxe. Next, I'm going to use the Brilliant pigment inks. I'm going to use 3 colors. The Brilliance inks are good on paper, vellum, shrink plastic, polymer clay, wood, and leather. They come in pearlescent as well as a matte finish. 17 colors in pearlescent and 16 in the matte, and I am using 3 of the pearlescent today. I'm using, first was the pearlescent purple, then the pearlescent orchid, and the last is the pearlescent lavender. And let's see here. What did I do next? Memento markers. These are dye ink, water-based, acid-free, and the colors match the ink pads of the Memento dye ink pads. They're available in 36 colors, in singles or packs of 4. And that was Rosebud. I'm going to use this to color on 2 sections of the umbrella. I'm also going to use Lulu Lavender and Sweet Plum in the markers. This is the Lulu Lavender. Nope, sorry. This is the Sweet Plum. These markers are so easy to color with, and they are dual tip. So you have a brush tip on one end, you have a fine point on the other. And now I'll pull out my Lulu Lavender. This is a nice, pretty little color. I'm making this card for my daughter. She just had my grandbaby a couple weeks ago. And so this card will be flying off to her tomorrow. And when she was growing up, I had 3 girls. She was purple. Everything I got for her was purple. Now I'm using Angel Pink to color the little baby blanket and the bow on the umbrella handle. So yes, you'll see a lot of projects coming up for the babies. Between this one and my other, I have 2 other grandchildren. I make a lot of projects for them. Now I'm grabbing the Memento Tuxedo Black pen marker to draw the little strings for the umbrellas, or excuse me, the strings for the balloons, to bring them down to the umbrella, as if the umbrella is being held up in the air by the balloons. Now I'm using fireworks sprays. The colors for these sprays are Lulu Lavender and Angel Pink. And this is my first time using them, so I have to shake them up a little bit, and then I spritz off to the side. And then, now this is Angel Pink. These sprays come in 2 sizes. There's a 1/2 ounce, and then let me see here, a 2 ounce bottle. So my lavender was in a 1/2 ounce, and then the 2 ounce for the Angel Pink. And then now I'm using the sparkly shimmer spray as well to do a little spritz. These also come in 2 sizes. And there we have it. It's a girl. Have a great day.